All right. It's been like how many times? 3 rounds of BGM, and I was like 4 minutes late. Yeah, late. I mean, what does coming to the stream late for Guerilla means? It doesn't make any sense, right? Anyway, let's go back to our lab. Well, it's not this one. This one rather. You guys just listen to the music. I have to focus, so I won't be listening with you. Yeah, you guys just listen to music, and I'm just in the silence. Welcome back to the void lab, I guess. Maybe I should name. Yeah, maybe I should name my lab void lab, not Septus laboratory. Just so, yeah, name it void lab, just so that it looks, it resembles what we are working with. Okay. That means I have to go here. Well, it doesn't matter. Because I use the portable version of Notepad++, so I have to come here very often. But I can just use this instead. And I think I have to log out. Yeah, let me log out. I think this is, no, this is not log out. This is just log. Well, I don't think it works, because yeah, it doesn't work, because this is like it just allows me to let's just into start menu. You have that, right? What? Hey, didn't I pin Notepad++ to the start menu? Oh, it's over here. Okay, So because it doesn't have a registry article, I mean, what is it? A registry record. It just uh, it just doesn't show any icon, even though it's embedded in the exe file. So last time when I was speaking Thai, yeah, we make a lot of engineering, quote unquote, yeah, quote unquote engineering to build this plugin. By the way, on the right side is just URL text.py, which is a tutorial code, and on the left side we have hello obs.py, which isn't it isn't hello world. It's supposed to be hello world, but I just don't want to start from reading the full docs to you. So I use the magic of quote unquote engineering to get this done by Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Yeah, copy and paste. The magic of copy and paste. Now, I think I would like to change this file name because it doesn't reflect anything. I think what link is suitable. Yes. Wait, what? Wait, what was the question again? Okay. Go to other view. The reason why I use Notepad++ because I cannot use VS Code that sucks RAM so much. Even though I separated my working screen from my working PC from it's separated from my streaming PC, so somehow I still don't have enough RAMs, even though I have 20 gigs. But it's only usable for 10 gigs because they are like they don't have the matching bus, so there you go. Okay. Now to run this code, we need to what was that? Yeah, to run this code, we need to run OBS, which somehow it crashed last time. We need to remove this hello OBS pie because we just renamed it. And hang on, it's over here. Yeah, water blink. Yeah, this is how you run it, and the code just does this only. It doesn't do anything other than this. Now update into 30 seconds. No, I think it should be in milliseconds. Mm, this is maximum, right? And this increment minimum, maximum. So it just does that. It doesn't update anything. It doesn't do anything at all. It just let you, it just let me select these things. Now here is when we are going to do it. Yeah, it's invisible. I still don't know how to use tooltip in this one and refresh definition. Well, let's try doing the same convention as them so we don't fool ourselves. Honestly, I can just write this one by myself because these are not anything at all. It doesn't do anything like this because this is update text, but we are not updating text, we are updating avatar. And we have to use this name here too. Oh, this one too. Button, I think I removed it, so let's get it back. It's the same indentation as return. Oh, it's okay, good. By the way, refresh doesn't work for anything, right? Because we're working with like 30 seconds. Hang on. I think it's not interval, it's frequency. So we have the least update. First? No? Or how do you do this? Do you know this symbol, by the way? Hang on. How do you superscript a string in Python? You have to format the string, right? I'll just leave it here. And I think maximum is like 240 for some crazy dude who has that much power. But the Intel, I think it's not Intel. Well, yeah, Intel. Yeah, doesn't make any sense. Oh. It doesn't make any sense to change anything. Then I think we are fine. Get source by name. Okay, we got the source by name. Hang on. I can name 2 sources. Hang on, I can do this. I can do this, right? And then the input is interval, no, is 1000 divided by interval. Because this is millisecond, so 1000 is better. So we have to use 1000. That's all. And default is 30. That's okay because doesn't matter that much. Now we already have avatar here, which is a browser source, but it's capital A. Now how does it work if I have the same name? It doesn't work. So it means that the name is actually unique. That's cool. Okay, we need this scope. And we also need this scope, this function, because may I remind you that OBS Python, no, actually writing any plugin in OBS, whether you use C APIs, whether you use Lua, whether you use Python like me now, you are still writing C. You are still going. You still need to manage memories by yourself. No, I don't think I would need to try because, well, try is okay because if anything happened, it would not crash your OBS, but I'll leave it there first. Then, because I'll leave it there because I don't know what error that I'm expecting. Maybe I can just catch any error. Try and accept. Exception has error. OBS.script log OBS log warning error. Should it warning or just error? Error, and I think it's better to like new line it a bit, then hang on. Where did we set up the callback? I mean, where did they set up callback? They didn't have any callback. So yeah, so I guess that's just safeguard. Yeah, that's just safeguarding things. Let's try that first before anything else. Oh, I forgot to yeah, this try has OBS. I don't think it has log like I think it has log info. Maybe. Logging. Log error, log warning. See, it's log info. I almost put in a semicolon. Hey, why? You should log every every 30 seconds. Hang on. Somehow the code doesn't work. Oh, because that's because the source is empty. Now the source isn't empty. Well, I can say yay, but this, why doesn't it work? This doesn't work. Somehow. I think I think I will have to pass this into integer first. Maybe. But does Python has distinct types between floating point and an integer? Well, I have two Pythons. What should I do? Anyway, I will use the latest Python that I have installed, which is different version than what I'm using for OBS. Somehow it doesn't work together. Anyway, like 100 to 1000 divided by 30. Yeah, it's floating point, but can I change it to int? Oh, okay. I think that should work now. Interval source. Oh, it's okay. That's unfortunate. Because we don't have URL. We are not using the same thing. Yay! Can we stop that? I don't think we can stop that. Oh, it doesn't have clear. Anyway. Hang on. I can just push. Yeah, I can just push clear. But why do you want to clear it anyway? Let's go back to this try thing. So we want to update our source here, but first let's recap how you control this brightness. See, if it's pure property, you cannot control any brightness, but you can add a filter, which it has to be color correction. It has to be color correction, and we will work with I don't think brightness works in this case. Saturation. I think we might need to. Ooh. Oh yeah, we could multiply it by gray. Yeah, we could multiply it by gray. And multiply is actually faster than brightness in this case. Opacity could work, but there's a little slight problem with opacity. Anyway, we can hue shift Anyway, we could we could get all the filters. I think the lock is lacking right now. The lock is lacking us right now. Yes, delete it. Delete it now. Delete it now. Hey, please do it. Do it now. Yes. Now it's not going to lag, I guess. See, but it's not responding. Yeah, it's back. It's back. Okay. So logging indefinitely is not cool. So we want to comment this one and leave it as an error. I just realized that the capture card is dead again. Maybe I would need to oh. The capture card is so annoying. Really? Yep. Okay, it was lagging because we print too much. Because we print too much. Okay, so we got this sauce. What was that? Okay. So we got this OBS sauce by name, which is called sauce, but I didn't mention that it is microphone. It is mic. Yeah, it is microphone. Now we need to add another sauce here, which is, I think it should, well, this is sauce name. This is microphone, and this is microphone. It is also microphone. Now we have this. Okay. Now we have avatar. Which also happens to have, there happen to be the same type of inputs as the microphone. I think I will just call it input. And because we need this one, I will say okay. This allows us to run without a crash. I forgot about adding them. Can you do this in Python? I forgot. I don't think we can. Good. And also I think I need to this has to be global or maybe static, but yeah, global. And I think I would have to set is global. Is printed, and then every time it resets is printed equals to 0. Or I mean reset to. Is printed global. Every time we refresh to, so yeah. invalid syntax. Why? Like, you mean this one? Well, sure. It will always be set to 0 first before it updates. What? I removed that, didn't I? See, this allows us to work without a crash. Okay. Now, because we already have this source enum, we don't need to get any more source enum. If source is input, add to add to this mic. Where is it? Oh, okay, it has two properties. Okay, this is Q. Now, lift source ID equals to. Do we have just? Oh, I think I will go with else first. Else name. Hang on, name. Oh, okay. Well, this is almost always running, right? I think we better off doing this because even though it's not reusing code, it's actually quite a good. I mean, it's actually better because this one is called to C API, and I mean C is obviously faster than Python, but this calling is it still needs I/O because it's calling to DLL file, which, well, it stays on the RAM, but this RAM has to read the program property. Well, let's say that it just takes too long to do it every time, even though we don't want to use it. And I think this one is adding to Q, and I forgot how I did it yesterday, but I remember now. It's source plus plus obs dot obs source oh sorry it's just source id yep it's a source id and then we go refresh else has else needs colon I forgot about that too switch object big I know the errors it's on my part so the image source is always image source there is no other source than image source so we can just have this one to be image source right it's image source okay is it capital I it is it hang on is it capital I no it's not capital I yep as expected how does that work for you? I don't understand. I think I have a lot to do with I have so many things to deal with this stuff, the capture stuff. Yeah. Somehow it dies so easily. I don't know why. Anyway, it's image source. So now if we save this file and paste this, you get only just image sources, which works, and we don't need this one anyway now after that. Good. Now we also try to get src avt. I think it should be AWA. OBS get source by name. We haven't global extract. Source ID isn't okay, so URL is not used here. I think we are safe to close this one because we are working with this right now, but I don't feel comfortable here. Let's open the source map just so I have something to confine this, or maybe what is it? Maybe not source map. Yeah, not document map, but function list would be better. Function list. Yeah, function list is much better. Okay, so you see everything I see? Good. If source mic is not none, I think and source AWA is not. I mean, look, if we are going to do this, we can just do this. Now it should error. It doesn't. Okay. Good enough. Now if it's actually none, what would it be? It won't work, right? Because we have just optimized. We have just optimized the logic here. For that, for logic, digital logic, I will tell you later. I will tell you that story later. That story, I mean that magic. I will teach you that magic later. If this is printed. Yep. We don't actually need that one, but having it is much more comfortable to work with. Now we are looking for. By the way, I didn't test my stream. Do I actually have any microphone on? Yes, we do. Okay. Now we have access to image and access to microphone, but the image might not already have the filter. I did add it, but if it doesn't have the filter, I will just have to add it by myself. So first of all, let's just comment this one. Does avatar has color correction filter? Where's the scripting? Yep. Get current filter. Get target filter. Are we looking for these guys? What? Huh? Hang on. Yeah. We are inspecting everything right now because we are not looking for help from community. Why? Because I'm stubborn. Um, this time I'll change this syntax a bit. I mean this format a bit. Just to help with reading stuff. Yeah, it's this one's cool. Hang on. Do we have clear? Like lock clear? I think we have lock clear. Lock node, lock function handler. No, we are not looking for handler. Oh. B lock. Hang on. Oh, it's OBS script lock. For some reason, script log is not documented. Well, I guess just run an API means we can create another window, right? We can create another window, right? Okay, no one cares about blog. I will just log I'll just log something to separate stocks. Yeah, that's okay. Okay. I mean, it it's easy to read, but I think I will have to. Uh, oh, memory leak. Oh shit. I forgot to release the source. Okay. Refresh. Do we actually have a filter? I don't think we have a filter. Yeah, there is no filter source. Uh, because this is enum source, right? But to my knowledge, we actually have another source. Why does my memory keep stockpiling? Hang on, I forgot to click. No, actually. It's because of all those browsers. Yeah, the OBS source is OBS. No, this is this. Hang on, I can just. OBS doesn't have any memory profile. Okay, so I can just get out of this, get out of this, and maybe Steam too, because it doesn't work right now. I mean, it does work, but we're not using it right now. Sure, enough. Now everything is smooth again. Good. Okay, OBS source. We have filters. We have source filter add. We get parent of this source, get target of this source, but what I hang on. Returns target source of the filter. The next source in the filter chain. What we want is we want to access filters. Where is it? OBS source. Yeah, we want to access filters. So is this OBS source get filter or something? Source draw output video. Sync preload. Yeah, I actually remember that there is get filter. Source filter count. Backup filter, restore current filter, and list. Copy filter, get filter by name. If not found, the reference of the filter is implemented. What? Oh, now it's not found. I mean, we don't need to loop. We just get the filter. So we don't need this. But we need the source. We need the source to input here, which means we have to get this avatar here. Okay, we grab this avatar and we put it here. Oh, by the way, if we grab the avatar, yeah, I forgot to release the source. That's unfortunate. I just realized that. Really? Then we need to release this. Now the name of the filter. Wait, I don't want the name of the filter, I want the filter type. Ooh, that's going to be crazy. Because you can name it however you want. No, I will fix it. Not fixing it, I will fix it to a name. Color correction filter. Look for This is cons, right? It shouldn't be up. It shouldn't be upgraded. It shouldn't be. Ooh. What do you call it? If filter is not null, no, actually is null. If filter is null, we need to create a new filter. We need to add a new filter. It's source and then filter. Oh, that's well. Well, we can do that. Oh, we cannot release yet. If the filter is null, we add to source AVA. Now we need to create a new filter. How do I create a new filter? Oh, it's just another source. I forgot about that. Yeah, it's just a source template. um okay, so we need to add a setting to the sauce. Okay. We set sauce info. We set sauce info first. No, actually we want it to be a filter sauce. Sauce frame, filter video. Audio data. Add the song. The thing is, it's okay. Filter is over here. Wait, is it the same thing? It's the same thing. We don't need this, we need the lower one. But we want to add this. We want to add to this with this. The thing is, we don't have this, and we have to create it. And we actually have give to the operator. Process to the end. Process to the end. Here's a big. Wait, hang on. Filter sauce. Okay, we can create it. We can create it with ID character. Okay, ID name. Yeah. sorry, ID name settings and hotkey. Why shouldn't it exist? I don't know. They say a design flaw, but why does it flaw? Why is it a flaw? Anyway, register flaw. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I could do that. But here we go. We should do this first. And it is class type string identifier. You still need to know the name of them. You still need to know their names. Can we get all those back? Oh. Sure. We are releasing, we are curing filters. hang on. This is enum source filters. We need a source. I know. But what the hell is this? It's a callback. Okay, it's a callback with a parameter, so we don't need to add a callback, right? But it doesn't seem like we have a choice. Anyway. So we would need to get this one and this one. I think this should work. I mean, we don't need this. Can we just use now? No, not now. It might be none. I don't think it will work in this case. Okay, I'm not looking for that. I don't want to do this, but get filter source copy filter sync. It accounts to restore. Hang on. How do you do this? How do you get all the filters? Ever. Honestly, where are we in this thing? Source type filter. There is source type filter. There is source type filter, but somehow that the all sources enum like this doesn't work. It doesn't work with filters. It gets everything, but it doesn't work with filters. Somehow. I can get the color space of image source, right? I think. Maybe you might need a little audio. Oh well, you already have audio. I forgot. That's crazy. That's really crazy. So I think I will just cheat that a bit. OBS log, right? What was it? Script log, right? Should I just log warning? Nah, doesn't matter. Oops. I mean, semicolon does work in Python, but they just ignore it. It's now it's not defined. It's none, right? In Python. It should be. Okay. Yeah, maybe. Oh. Color filter. Okay, so we need to create hang on. Do we actually need to create it? Because we just want to add. Oh, yes, we need to add. So we need to actually create it. ID. ID is color source. Wait, color source or color filter? A color filter. And then we give it a name. Why don't I just use this? Now we need to give it a setting. And that's the last parameter, right? Because we don't need to give it a hotkey. Let's say null for the time being. And then we add new f. Really? Really? This will create a new filter to any source. Hang on, I have to test this one first. If I choose the same source, will it work? It doesn't work. Yeah. Well, I think I will choose the other source first, then no, actually create a dummy which, well, I don't think we actually need to add any picture to the dummy because we are not just working with it either way. Wait, what? Okay, yeah. Dummy is going to be somewhere around here. Sure, I know. Really? Can fonts be global? Hang on. Python. Okay, correct version. Fonts. Do I actually need to search? Do I actually need to search? Because it's a basic. Oh. It's the basic, so it's not in the chain. What the fuck? Why is it so many chains? I mean, yeah, sure, so many chains is good, but hey, How do I traverse this without folding? These are all changes? Are you serious? Wait, what? These are... Wait, what? These are... What's new? All of them? Hang on. Why... Somehow I don't remember how to read this. I mean, locals is okay. Maybe it's not, it shouldn't be here. Language reference. Lexical data model. Where is const? I forgot. I think it's identifier. These are keywords. These are okay. It should be in identifiers, but hey, maybe literals. No, it's not literal. Other tokens, so it's the same page. Delimiter. Should I just go to introduction then? Somehow table of content is not where it should be, where I should start to read things. It's over here. Wait. Where is it? Uh, it should be an identifier. I can go to introduction, so yeah. Okay. My back is hurting me for this. Hate it. Hate it a lot. Okay. Yeah, as expected. Does Python actually have constant? I mean, they have built-in constant, but can we declare constant? Okay. It looks like we could create a constant, but it has to be something else. Well, the best way to implement constant in Python, I mean, not the best way, the easiest way is to create a new type, which it is encouraging to do, and then you implement the override of equal sign to return uh, either throw an error or either just set it to whatever it was. So yeah, there is no constant. And for some reason this thing isn't white. And I think I will. Oh, dummy doesn't have any filter, so we can do that. We can just add a filter to the dummy. Hot tea data. Okay. Does it add it? Does it add to dummy? Let's see. We do have, oh, color. Select color. It's not even color mode. Oh, that's actually. Oh, okay. Okay. So we can just set its color to whatever we want. And it could be changed to like this color instead. Yeah. So we can just have user select a color. Okay, let's just have the user select color. Oh, this is, well, do we actually need this still? What happened again? I think I forgot to release some memories. Okay, we release this. Oh, I need to release this too, right? I think I will write this one again when I want. This thing doesn't mean anything, so we don't have to do it. And this is still here. Okay. What are we going to do right now? Oh, we can have a transition if we want. Okay. I don't think I would want to have a transition right now. Oh, it's Bob. Okay. Now what I want is to touch that and wait for like 30 frames. Yep, wait for 30 frames. And yeah, okay. Wait for 30 frames to get this. Oh, okay, color. We are not going to get any color right now. Okay, so this one is global and it's not updated. It has to be in script properties. and yeah, that works. Now we get filter name, and then we get the filter. By the way, the reason we don't save the the filter pointer in the memory because of safety. We are writing singleton here, so we should be thinking like a singleton. It is guaranteed not to be null at this point, so we can do anything with it. First of all, I think we cannot control it here. We have to control it within the filter, within the filter setting. So we have this filter, and we have sorry. We should be able to change the filter. This is creating another filter, like a new type of filter, but we are not doing that. Yeah, we don't want to create a new type of filter. We want to use the filter, and the filter is OBS source P, and every source P has every OBS source P has source info. And the source info links to the source data, which means okay, we got the OBS source key, so we get name. Wait, what? Translated name. This is type data. Hang on, no. This is a string return of a function that requires void pointer. Okay, I forgot to mention this. Void pointer is just it is just a function pointer. So this is like a callback. I mean, void pointer can change to any pointer. Okay, so here we go. We get properties. But what the fuck is that? OBS properties. P. Okay, so we need to get the OBS source info from this source. How? Because we have source info type, source info ID, and it's different structure. Well, I think we can get like OBS get display name, get we just created it. We could duplicate it. We can get reference, which doesn't need to be source release. Well, we did get weak source. Well, yeah, sure. We'll look into these later. It might be useful. Remove, we can remove, we can hide. We can get output flags. Honestly, we could have just we could just have two objects in the exact same place, but I don't like that idea. Get source default, get source. Okay, OBS get source properties. This is what I'm looking for, and here OBS property, get property. I mean, this one is source info, by the way. But we have source properties, character ID. Oh, we can just send the source in to that. Okay. Oops, sorry, forgot about that. OBS source properties, not get properties. Okay. Okay, now we got the filter property. What can we do with it? Okay, we have to create to. I think it just requires the parameter. Yeah. Okay, sure. Hey. Response please. Now Should we mod 30? No, actually. Well, I think we can just do this. Oh no. Yeah, this is actually better. Anyway, I'll explain later what it was in my mind. Huh? Yeah, as I expected. Okay. It's heated up a little bit, so that's why it bugs. It can't even work with my hand is around. Wow, that's crazy. Um, uh, I will find a magnet to help with that. It might work. It might not. Oh, they are so strong. No. Um, wow. They can't live together. Even in market, even in 1 millimeter.
Even if 1 millimeter,
They can cooperate. Wow. So how do I implement this? What? Just put it away. What? What is so weak? Why is so? Oh. So okay. If they don't work with statements, good to know. That means something to work. Yeah, no, it doesn't work with stainless. How do we do this? Because there is no way I can work with it. Oh, one there. Okay. New plan. Okay, now new plan. I'm going to go outside right now, which is okay. I will have to go outside either way, but to see doctor. But I will go right now, preemptively, and I will go to buy a ferrite. I mean, a set of ferrite magnets to work with my audio capture. I mean, video capture, and perhaps I will get a set of heat sinks to work with it. But now we are already halfway there. Like we can detect the image source. We can add filter source. Now we just have to change the color for the color source for the filter, and then write a logic to apply it periodically, and after that we can control the change with audio. Well, the audio will be fun. The audio will be fun part, because audio is, well, it's a real time stuff. It's not image. The reason why I do image first is the image is just static. เดี๋ยวนะเอาคุณไม้เฮ้ยผมเพิ่งเห็นมาตั้งแต่บ่าย2ว้าแย่เลยโทษทีครับที่ไม่ได้สังเกตเลยพอดีว่าไอ้นี่อยู่พอดีว่าง่วนอยู่กับการเขียนโปรแกรมอยู่เนาะแล้วไอ้จอมันก็แบบนะวุ่นวายนะครับผมไม่เห็นแชทเลยขอโทษจริงๆครับงั้นก็ขอบคุณที่เข้ามารับชมนะครับเดี๋ยววันนี้ผมไปออกไปข้างนอกก่อนเพราะว่าไอตัว audio cap ไอตัว video capture ผมแม่งบั๊กไงแล้วเดี๋ยวผมไปเอาเฟอร์ไรท์เอาแม่เหล็กเฟอร์ไรท์มาเสียบ see you later เดี๋ยวผมตอบคุณไม้ก่อนนะครับก็คือผมเขียน OBS plugin นะครับสำหรับตัวหัวกระโดดนะครับก็คือไอตัวอวตารผมเนี่ยคือผมไม่มีโมเดลที่มันขยับได้นะผมก็เลยใช้ไอภาพ PNG กระโดดเอานะครับแล้วก็แทนที่ผมจะไปเขียน Unity Game Engine เขียนเป็นเกมออกมาแล้วก็แคปภาพมาเหมือนชาวบ้านชาวเมืองเขาผมไปเขียน OBS เลยนะครับเพราะว่าผมประเมินดูแล้วว่ามันประหยัด CPU มากกว่านะครับบายครับ Really, but why? Why didn't I? Why didn't I see a viewer? What did I do wrong with that? Okay, I think next time I will be reading on bigger fonts. But this time, my apologies. Farewell, and if the fate takes us here again, if our fate cross again, you're welcome.